Hi, this is Doug from the third floor. I hope you enjoy this fun little bookmark craft. It shouldn't be hard and it shouldn't take you too long. And as I mentioned in the video, we'll be giving you some other fun bookmarks that you can also make at home just with very simple supplies. I hope you're enjoying summer reading. I hope you found a book with some tales, or some tales. And I hope you're doing well with our summer reading program and enjoying being in the library again. So we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you very much for participating. Bye.